The meme games are here. You heard it right. Here is the next 100x pre-sale gem that you absolutely need to load up before the end of this month. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about none other than the meme games. You heard that right. There is a crypto project called the Meme Games, has a Mario Party theme with our favorite meme coin mascots, also playing on the Olympics, which is coming very soon in Paris. This is looking like a solid project, and we had to highlight it here first. So what is the Meme Games? Looks like it is a I want to say Olympic inspired meme project. The Meme Games token opening ceremony. Light your torches for the inaugural Meme Games, where crypto-tasticism meets the spirit of 2024 Olympics. Pick your favorite meme coin competitor and watch them go for the gold and multiply your holdings. I don't know, but this might be like a betting style. We're gonna take a look. We're gonna go deeper into it in just a second. We can see it's been mentioned on a ton of different blogs and crypto reputable pages, Binance Square, TradeView, Coin Codex, so that's solid. The Meme Games athletes, so we got Doge, we have Brett, so base Brett, we have Turbo, we have Whiff, we have Pepe, so again, very popular cryptocurrencies, and they're repping different countries as well. So Pep repping France, Doge repping America. I believe this is a Bulgarian flag. I'm not 100% sure. Turbo representing Italy, and then Whiff representing the United Kingdom. All right, so France's Olympic swimmer hero Pep is nearly unbeatable with his natural born webbing and his insane hydrodramatics. He is in good. He is so good in the water that other memes have appealed his legibility. And then you have a buy now tab, which takes you top, and you connect your wallet. You can buy either ETH, USDT, card, or BNB as well. So far they've raised $130,000, and this project launched not too long ago. And 2 days and 12 hours they'll have their first price hike. So you want to buy it at the absolute lowest price, and now is your time to buy. Link in the description below. And then we're going more on the page. They have a how to buy tab and a how to win tab. So let's take a look at how to win. So you buy the Meme Games token and enter your competitor. Select the meme athlete you want to compete, and then watch and win. If your athlete wins the Meme Games event, you'll earn 25% bonus on your token purchase. Awesome. Play the Meme Games as many times as you want and increase your chance of winning by 25% token bonus. So that's interesting how you're gonna buy some tokens and then see the memes, guys. And if you want to see us do a live demonstration of that, of buying the tokens, choosing a meme character, comment down below and we'll definitely do that. We see some more pictures of Doge, and Doge is looking beefy. We see a leaderboard, so the Meme Games token leaderboard, 169 million dash, and we can see Pepe at number 1 with 6 wins, Doge at number 4, Turbo, Brett, and Whiff. That's pretty clean. And then the tokenomics, guys, looks like 36% to pre-sale, 10% to staking, 70% to project funds, 9% to game winnings, 10% to liquidity, and then 15% to marketing. So you push this project out to more people. And we see Turbo just on the, I guess, on the skating fields. Looks like they're gonna have a para Meme Games coming soon as well, August 28th to September 4th. We see they are the para athletes, which is pretty cool. Interesting. They're going all at it. Okay, so Meme Games FAQ tab, and then just some locker room banter between Pepe and Doge. Pretty funny. Clean website, clean design. Love the graphics. The Meme Games looks like it's live, and then the para Meme Games is coming very soon as well. And over on Twitter, guys, they're growing rapidly fast. They already garnered 12,000 followers in the span of a couple weeks, which is awesome. Welcome to the Meme Games Ultimate Battle, where your favorite memes do whatever it takes to win the gold. Grab some Meme Games tokens by the balls and choose your champion. Score 10% bonus if they win. Let the Meme Games begin. The pre-sale is live now, and again, link in the description below. Over on Telegram, they only have 38 subscribers, so it's pretty new. If you want to join the community mega early, now's your chance to join. Link in the description below. Guys, you know, on this channel we absolutely love pre-sale gems, as the opportunity is great, crazy. You buy into a project very early on and reap some solid rewards when the project goes on to launch and do some pretty crazy things. So if you want to load up at the absolute lowest price, now's your time to strike. Link in the description below. But like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's friend Umar. Peace.